Hi, I'm Rocco. I'm one of the machine tutors here for School of Electronic Music, and today we're going to be looking at how to sample your old vinyl records and utilise them in Maschine. First of all, I'm going to set up in Maschine a new group to sample the vinyl. So if we go over to sampling mode, you can hear we're on external in. If we play it, we can see there's a signal coming in. So we can also monitor that in our headphones, which I'm doing. So if we select monitoring on, we'll be able to hear the sample in our headphones. I'm going to record a free section here. Now the recording won't start till you actually press play on the machine, so we're going to cue that up where we want, hit start and then press play. We've let the track go and now it's going to be recording this section for us. And as you can see on the machine, the sampling is turned to red to indicate that you're recording. Now that we've captured the bit we want, we can see in the waveform here and on the machine what we want. So I am going to find a start point suitable here with the bass and just chop that into one bar.